Hey, it's Jason here with Intricate Coatings. Pretty nice view here of the casino. If you're in the Fresno area, you may know where I'm at. But back to work. Let's show you the project here. When nailing these, go at an angle. Obviously check your pressure to make sure these go in all the way. So as you're going, this is somewhat flush. However, you'll need to run either epoxy, Bondo, caulking underneath your epoxy to make sure this is not seen, along with the nail holes. Again, many ways to do this. This is just how I do it. The flakes cover up 90% of everything anyway, so you don't have to be too detailed on it. On the tools, this is what I use to make the cuts on the baseboard. Air compressor, 8 gallon. I use about 100 psi to make sure the nails recess. .18 gauge nailer, adhesive, caulking gun, tape measure, normal stuff. Right, when you get to a point here where you're needing a piece smaller than the regular 6, get your measurement. You don't have to be exact because you are filling the edges. Transfer it onto your piece. Take it to the saw and then fit your new piece in. What I have here is the inside corner that's going to go under the cabinet. I made my mark. I'm here at the miter saw, so wear eye protection when you do this, and get after it. Alright, as far as filling the seams, as I said, this is the next step after installing. Any caulking, poly blend preferably, but it really doesn't matter. And use a flexible putty knife. Get rid of the high stuff. Doesn't have to look pretty, you're covering it with flakes, so you're just hiding the seam. After you go through and do all the seams, this would be the final seam that you want to get rid of. Now I'm going to grind the floor still, but same thing, you put caulking here, and then take a wet rag and smooth it out to keep this nice transition. Alright, here's what the finished seams would look like. You're only getting it close, the flakes will do the rest of the work. Hide everything. Alright, now that the baseboards are installed, epoxied, clear coated. Nice seamless finish under cabinets. On the edge of the garage.